what you're going to be watching is how to build a chicken coop. Remember to subscribe so then you can see it. And then you can see other awesome videos.
Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to the next part of our series of building a chicken coop. We're going to show you how to put the tar paper on, drip edge, and the shingles. Okay, now that we used reusable lumber and stuff from before, I went and found a piece of tar paper from a friend of mine, and we are going to cut that and fit on here. Okay, then get yourself some roofing nails. This is what they look like underneath. And we'll throw a couple of those nails in here to secure our tar paper. Drop 2 nails. Can't let them lay here. We don't want to pop a tire in my lawnmower and then have to do a video on how to repair that now. Okay, we put the tar paper up top and you kind of roll it up over. Isabel and Levi's putting the last couple of nails in. Okay, what we're going to do is we cut a piece and put on the end like this here Levi has. We're going to put that up in there, put it on there, and nail it right on the end of the plywood roof. And this is going to act as our drip edge. And then we'll put shingles down over top of it. Okay, the last piece of trim around the edge is for our drip edge. I got the nail started, so we'll finish putting this on. Job well done. All right, guys, Levi.
Yep.
Are we ready to put on shingles?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
First thing you got to do is we take a sheet of shingles like this, and you cut it down through the middle. There's a line on each one, so you need that part, the top part, as the starter. And I'm not putting a drip edge on this, so I'm just going to overlap it about 1 inch on the bottom edge and on the side, and then go ahead and run this across here on both sides here. And then we'll be out over the edge over here, 1 inch on the side. So we're about, and then we're lined up here in the middle. We're going to go ahead and put a staple, 3 on each piece, the whole way across there, or 4 or 5, spaced out about 6 inches apart. Let's put the first nail in here, Levi. Up nail, and I'm going to use aluminum nails. You can use, there's all kinds of different nails that you can use. This is what I happen to have laying around. Actually, I think I might have bought these at a yard sale for a little bit of nothing. And I picked these shingles up at Habitat for Humanity. Almost every town has one of those stores where people donate leftover leftover building materials. And actually, you could probably get almost all these materials from a place like that. They only cost me 50 cents a sheet of these shingles, which is great. Then we go ahead and run a strip up on each end. And just like on the sides, we are going to stick it out roughly an inch. I'm not going to measure it, but we'll put a piece up. Actually, I want to overlap it the whole way down on the end. This is where we will put this. I'm going to put a nail here right in the corner. That's what it happens. That's what a nail looks like when you bend it. We'll pull that out and we'll just stick in another one. I'm sure you're gonna bend a few of them too. Okay, now we got it lined, the edge. I'm gonna throw a couple of these up on here. And I'll show you how to do this.
That hurts my butt when I move.
These here, what you do is, it goes up there, Levi.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
It goes up there. Now you'll want to run these down on the edge. You go ahead and you've got the first one already stapled on there. One thing I forgot to tell you, when you turn this over, make sure you peel off this plastic. See how
It's 15%.
how this comes off? Peel that off, because what happens is this is like a tar, and when it gets hot in the summer, when the sun shines on it, it'll stick tight to this strip of glue that's on the shingle on the bottom. So I'm just going to lay that there, and since see how it's too long, I'll go ahead and trim that off, but I'll put the trim side over here. So I'll go ahead and cut that a while. Okay, so we go ahead and cut down across here with any utility knife will work. This is how it breaks real easy. We'll go ahead and keep those. And we'll line this up like this. Just perfect. And Levi's gonna get rid of some more nails. And put a nail in here. And then what we'll do, since we had a full sheet over here and partial over here, then we'll just start on this side with a full sheet. Actually, you want to offset them. And see how these dividers here is? You can kind of center them up. And you put this on the edge, because you can see there's two different colors here, and there's a line. You line this shingle up with that line.
Yes, I would love to.
Levi's gonna go ahead and, yep. Levi's gonna go ahead and pound one in. Great job, Levi. Now we have a drop from this first one. We can just go ahead and cut that and put it on right here. Okay, we got this one on, and then we cut this one here. So now what we'll do is we'll throw this next one in here after you rip the paper off, protect the paper off the back. Line that up, and we'll stick some more.
Where do you want this nail?
Put one right here. And then what we're going to do is this one over here, we're going to trim it to fit right here. Trim it to fit right here, and then we'll lay another one over here and trim it I lost the footage of putting on the roof cap, so I'll kind of give you a little quick overview that we just cut the leftover pieces from the rest of the roof and just line them across the top, as you can see, and nail them on, and then we're finished. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and come back for the next videos. Also, I'm going to be sharing how I built the automatic watering system that you only have to water once a month. And also, I'll be including another video of the feeder, and that as well only needs filled every couple weeks. And it's already been tested, and I just need to document it and get it sent out to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos if that's something you're interested in.